Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a new project in After Effects and set up your first composition. Let's get started. When you first open After Effects, you'll see the home screen. Here you can either open a recent project or click a new project to start from scratch. Once it opens, you'll see a blank working space. This is your project panel, timeline, and composition viewer, waiting for you to set things up. Before you start, it's a good habit to save your project right away. Go to File, Save As Project. Next, let's make a composition. This is where all your animation happens. Go to Composition, click the New Composition button. And here's what the settings mean. In the composition name, you can name your comp something clear, like Main Animation. Preset, you can pick something like HDTV 1080p 25 or 30 fps for standard video. Then we have width and height, usually 1920 by 1080 for full HD. Frame rate, you can choose 24, 25, 30 or even 60 fps depending on your region or project. And here you can select the duration, how long your comp will be, 10 seconds to start. Then hit OK and you'll see your comp appear in the timeline. Now that your comp is ready, you can just import your media to start animating your footage. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.